Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Norina with Decor, your favorite spot. Welcome to our birthday decoration video. We are super excited to hear our favorite birthday decoration ideas with you. This video is packed with fun and easy ways to make a birthday celebration special. We think you will love the ideas we show in the video. Let's get started. Start with balloons and streams to create a festive atmosphere. Use birthday banners and signs to add a personal touch. Decorate the party area with the photos of the birthday persons. Create a birthday theme with colors and decorations that match. Use tables and chairs decorations to make the party area look complete. In today's video, I'm talking about birthday decoration ideas with red and white balloons decorations. Use candles and light to create a warm and happy ambience. Decorate for a kid's birthday with fun and colorful decorations. For an adult's birthday, use elegant and specific decorations. Get creative with dye decorations to add a personal touch. Use party games and activities to make the party fun. Make sure you have the plenty of food and drinks for guests. Create a photo booth with props. For fun memories, use music and decorations to match the birthday person's favorite theme. Decoration outdoor or indoor spaces to fit the party theme. Make the birthday persons feel special with personalized decorations. Use balloons in different shapes and sizes for fun look. Create festive atmosphere with decorations and music. We are showcasing red and white balloons in this video. These balloons are perfect to creating a festive atmosphere. Red and white balloons add a classic touch to any party. You can use them for birthdays, holidays, or any celebrations. The contrast of red and white looks striking together. Balloons are easy to inflate and arrange in fun ways. A dramatic effect. Red and white balloons work well with different themes. You can add balloons to tables, walls, or interiors. Balloons bring playful vibes to any event. They are affordable and lots of fun of parties. Use balloons to match your party colors or them. Red and white balloons are a timeless combo for decorations. Thank you for watching this video on red and white balloons. Our channel is all about sharing fun and creative ideas. We love bringing you tutorial and inspiration for parties and decorations. Our videos are designed to help you make our event special. We focus on easy and doable ideas for everyone. Our channel is place for DIY lovers and party planners. We share tips and tricks to make celebrations memorable. Our videos are fun to watch and full of useful ideas. We aim to inspire you to create an amazing decorations and parties. Our channel is growing with new ideas and tutorials regularly. Thanks for being part of our channel and community. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed the content or found it useful. Don't forget to like the subscribe for more videos. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on new upload. We love creating content for you and